Hello everyone. Welcome you all for the third session on module 4, which is curve fitting and statistical methods. So in this session, let us see rank of correlation. In the first session, you have learned exclusively the basic concepts and the concept about the correlation. In the second session, we have seen the how do we obtain the correlation coefficient, formula for it, and few problems on it. Proceeding further, let us learn about a rank of correlation coefficient. So whatever the R that we evaluate, the rank of which we are going to find, and how do we find it. That will be studied in this session. So there is a mathematician who has invented the formula for it. So we call that as Spearman's rank of correlation. Spearman rank of correlation. So Spearman rank of correlation is defined as the Pearson's correlation coefficient between the rank variables, and it will be denoted by the symbol rho. So rank of correlation is denoted as rho, and we read it as rho, and that is if x and y are the two variables, rx and ry are the rank of the variables x and y respectively. So di is the difference between the ranks. Then Spearman's rank correlation is given by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square by n cube minus n, where di is rxi minus ryi. So coefficient between the rank of variables. So this you need to understand, coefficient between the rank of variables. So how do we exactly do it in the problem? The formula you have to remember it, and the notations which we have used also you have to remember carefully. So here let us look at some problems. Look at the first one. 10 competitors in a beauty contest are ranked by 2 judges in the following order. Compute the coefficient of a rank of correlation. So there are 2 judges have evaluated the competition in a competition where 10 participants were participated there. The first judge has given the rank in this way, and the second judge has given the rank in this way. So we have to find the coefficient of a rank of correlation. So how do we do it? So try to recall your formula. The formula is, let me go to your first slide and show you the formula. The formula is a rank of the correlation rho is equal to 1 minus 6 times of summation di square by n cube minus n. So where d is the difference between the rank, ranks are rank has been given to the x values and the y values, and we are going to represent them as rx and ry. Rx minus ry gives you d value. N is the number of values of x and y given. Number of values of x, ry given. So 1 minus, we need the values of d, we need the value of n, and we need sum of the value of d. So now for this given data, let us construct a table which fulfills our requirement. So the values of x given are 1, 6, 5, 3, 10, 2, 4, 9, 7 and 8. These are the values of x given for us. Similarly, the values of y, the judge 2 has rated the people in this way: 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5 and 7. Now, we have to find out the d. D is x minus y. So 1 minus 6 is minus 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. 10 minus 1 is 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 8 minus 7 is 1. So understand here, judges have already rated the participants 1 to 10. The participant 1 has got the first rank. The participant 2 has got the second rank. Participant 3 has got the fifth rank. Likewise, the judges have already given the rank. That is why we have tabulated it, and the same values we are considering it. Similarly, judge 2 has given the rankings for the first participant as 6, second participant as 4th rank, third participant as 9th rank likewise. So since the ranks are already been allotted, we don't want to find the rank again exclusively. So we are using the given ranks directly. Therefore, D here is going to be x minus y. So don't get confused with the formula which we have discussed. So now let us square D values and tabulate it here. Minus 5 whole square is 25, 2 square is 4, minus 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 9 square is 81, 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 and 1 square is 1. So proceeding further, there are n is equal to 10 values. 10 values of x or y has been given. Summation of d square values, whatever the values that d square has been tabulated at the end in the table, we are going to sum them. So the sum is going to be 158. So therefore, the required values for the formula we have obtained. Now let us substitute it in the formula. Recall the formula, which is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 d square divided by n cube minus n. Now substitute for d square. D square is 158. N is 10. 10 cube minus 10. So when we simplify this, we get the value of rho as 0.042. So this is how we have to find the rank of the correlation. So rank of the correlation rho is 0.042. Similarly, let us see another example. There are 10 students got the following percentage of marks in two subjects X and Y. Compute their rank of correlation coefficient also. So now marks in X are given as 78, 36, 98, 25, 75, 82, 90, 62, 65, 39. The 10 students. First student has got this, second student has got the, third student, fourth student, fifth student, sixth, seventh, 8, 9 and 10 students. The marks in the subject X and marks in the subject Y for those 10 students are tabulated here. It has asked us to find the rank of correlation coefficient. So now the rank has been not given by the problem itself. It is not given in the problem. It is just the marks have been given. So we have to assign the ranks based on the marks. So try to understand the difference between the earlier problem and this problem. Earlier problem, judges have already given the ranks. Therefore, the X and Y was being taken straight away. Whereas here, only the marks of the 10 students are being tabulated. But we need to allot the rank to the 10 students based on their performance in the subject X and for subject Y. So performance here is the marks that they have obtained in both the subjects. So now X values here is given as 78. First student number 1 has got 78, 2 has got 36, 3 has got this, 4 has got like this. The 10 students marks have been tabulated. So these 10 students data we are going to arrange in the ascending order. Okay, the highest marks, or you can write it in the descending order. Okay, the first value, the highest value will have the first rank. So among this, what is the highest value? Looks 98 is the highest value. So this 98 will take the first rank. That is a rank among the values of X is 1 for 98. Okay, now we are writing it in the descending order. So after 98, in the decreasing order, what is the marks that we get? It is 90. Among the given values of X, 90 is the second value. Therefore, the student who got the 90 marks will be assigned the second rank. Likewise, after 90, the next one is 82. So the student who has got 82 marks is assigned as a third rank. Next, 78 is the highest marks after that. So it is fourth rank has been given for them. Likewise, fifth is for 75. Student who have secured 75 has got the fifth rank. And 65 will get the sixth rank. And 62 will get the seventh rank. And 39 will get the 8th rank, 36 will get the 9th rank, and 25 will get the 10th rank. The highest marks will get the first rank and the lowest marks will get the 10th rank because 10 students have been taken for consideration. So hope you all understood how to rank the numbers given, data given. In a similar way, the second subject which is taken as Y, the marks are tabulated here. Now we have to find rank of Y. So again, write the numbers in the descending order. Write the highest number first and then the highest, second highest, third highest, likewise in the descending order. So when I observe this, so looks 91 is the highest mark. So the student who have secured 91 will get the first rank. Next is 86. 86 will get the second rank. Then 84 will get the third rank. Likewise, 68 will get the fourth rank. 62 will get the fifth rank, then 60 will get the 6th rank, likewise. So arrange them in the descending order and write the numbers or ranks according to the marks they have obtained. So these are the ranks that we will get. Now we have to find the difference in the ranks. So di is Rx minus Ry. So Rx values have been tabulated here, Ry values are tabulated here. So Rx minus Ry, 4 minus 3 gives you 1. 9 minus 9 gives you 0. 1 minus 1 gives you 0. 10 minus 6 gives you 4. 5 minus 4 gives you 1. 3 minus 5 gives you minus 2. 2 minus 2 0. 7 minus 7 0. 6 minus 8 minus 2. 8 minus 10 gives you 2. So this is the DI values, difference of rank. So sum of this values is, sum of this values are not required. We need sum of the squares of values. So now let us square this. So square is D square. 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 0 square is 0, 4 square is 16, 1 square is 1, minus 2 square is 4, 0 square is 0, and minus 2 square is 4, and minus 2 square is 4. For the formula, we need sum of the D square values. So sum of the D square values here is equal to 30. You can check it out. So now let us substitute these things in the formula. The formula is rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation di square by n cube minus n, where n value is 10. So substituting the all the values which we have obtained, and rho value is 0.81818, and on rounding it off it gives the value rho is equal to 0.82. So this is how the rank of correlation need to be found when just tabulated values have been given. The earlier problem was ranks were given. So try to understand the difference between both the problems. Let us see another example. So 10 competitors in a music contest are ranked by 3 judges, A, B and C, in the following order. Use the rank of correlation coefficient to decide which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common taste of music. So there are 3 judges, A, B and C, and they have ranked 10 students who have performed well in the music contest. So Judge A has ranked the 10 people as 1, 6, 5, 10, 3, 2, 4, 9, 7 and 8. The Judge B has ranked them in this way. Judge C has ranked them in this way. And it has asked us to find the coefficient of correlation. And also we have to tell which 2 judges have got the same nearest approach. So when we do so, we need to compute a row, the rank of AB, rank of BC and rank of CA, because we are dealing with more than 2 variables. So A, B, C are the values which we have got it. So we need to check 2 judges who have rated them in a nearest approached way. So either AB or BC or CA. So all the possible options we have to take and calculate it. So we need to instead of just calculating the rank of correlation, a rank of correlation with respect to AB judges, rank of correlation between B and C judges, and rank of correlation between judges C and A we are going to calculate, which means that row AB, row BC and row CA we are going to calculate with the help of the following table, where D here represents the difference. So again I am telling you, the values are already ranked. We need not rank it again. So Judge A has ranked the participants in this way. Judge B has ranked the participants in this way. Judge C has ranked the participants in this way. And now D is nothing but the difference between the ranks. Then square and write it. D square AB is nothing but difference in the rank of Judge A and Judge B. Evaluate that first and then square and enter it here. So now consider Judge A and Judge B. The difference here is 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square gives you 4. Similarly, 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 square is 1. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Square of minus 3 is 9. Similarly, 10 minus 4 is 6 and 6 square is 36. 3 minus 7, the difference is 4. Square of 4 is 16. 2 minus 10, the difference is 8. Minus 8 square is 64. 4 minus 2, the difference is 2, square of which is 4. Similarly, 9 minus 1 is 8, square of which is 64. 7 minus 6 is 4, square of which is 7 minus 6 is 1, square of which is 1. 8 minus 9 is 1, square of which is 1. So, for the formula, I need sum of the d square values. So, we are summing up all the values entered, and which gives the value as 200. So, AB here is, we have considered the ranks given by Judge A and Judge B. In the same way, I'll consider the ranks given by Judge B and C. So, difference between the ranks, square them and write it here. So, B and C, the B rank has been given in this column, C rank has been given in this column. So, difference between them, 3 minus 6 is minus 3, square of which is 9. Similarly, 5 minus 4 is 1, square of which is 1. 8 minus 9 is 1, square of which is 1. 4 minus 8 is 4, square of which is 16. Likewise, you need to evaluate it for all the values, and sum of the d square values with respect to the judges B and C is 214. In a similar way, take the ranks given by C and A, Judge C and Judge A. Then square them and tabulate it here. Sum of those values will be equal to 60. So now let us evaluate. The common formula which we had was this, but the problem is asked slightly different, in a slight different way. So we are going to evaluate row AB, the rank of correlation between the Judge A and Judge B, which is given by 1 minus 6 di square we have calculated, which is 200 for 10 participants. So which gives the value as minus 0.21. Similarly, the rank of correlation between the judges B and C, which has been tabulated here, and the value was minus 0.297. And rank of correlation between the judge C and A gives the value 0.636. So it is observed that, so you can observe this value and this value are quite nearer. Therefore, we say it is observed that row AB and row BC is negative. Both are negative. Therefore, we say judge A and B and C are positive, which means that we conclude the judges C and A have the nearest approach to the common taste of music. And that is how we will conclude this problem. So look at another problem. Compute the rank of correlation coefficient for the following data. Given the marks of 10 students in two tests. 10 students have obtained this marks in test 1, and the same 10 students have obtained the marks in test 2 in this way. So again, it is not the rank, it is just the data. So now, T1 values, what has been given, test 1 performance of the 10 students are tabulated. Now we have to rank them. So the student who has secured the highest mark, that is 65, takes the first rank. Then comes to 56, which is in the second rank. Likewise, 52 in the third rank, and 50 in the fourth rank, and then 45 in the fifth rank, 44 in the sixth rank, and 38 in the 7th rank, then 33 in the 8th rank, and 26 in the 9th rank, and 15 in the 10th rank. So marks were given, we have allotted the ranks for that. Similarly, test 2 performance of the same students are tabulated here, and again write them in the descending order and allocate the rank, and the ranks are like this. Now difference in the rank. RT1 minus RT2. So RT1 values are here, RT2 values are here. Corresponding values to be subtracted, we get these values. Square them and enter it in the last column. And sum of these d square values is 176. That values can be substituted in the formula, the main formula, and substituted, and you get the value as minus 0.666. So this is how the rank of correlation are evaluated for the set of data. Hope you have understood. More problems are solved in the text, the notes which has been uploaded, and have a look at them. Thank you all.